I'm not going to waste your time here. Summer's close, and you've got exactly 2 weeks to glow up. I'm going to help you go from this to this in only 2 weeks. Let's get straight to the point with these 5 simple steps that actually work. Stick around until the end because step 5 is the real game changer most people miss. Step 1. Fix your skin fast. Ever wake up with dull skin regretting last week's bad habits? Here's the 48-hour reset. Exfoliate 3 times a week. I use a simple sugar scrub. Hydrate like it's your job. Drink 2 liters of water daily and use aloe vera gel for instant plumpness. Pro tip: ice roll your face every morning to eliminate puffiness. Your skin will thank you in just 3 days. Now that your skin's looking better, let's fix your hair. This one only takes 5 minutes. Step 2. Transform your hair. What if I told you shiny summer hair takes just 5 minutes? No salon needed. Massage rosemary oil into your scalp 3 times a week for growth and shine. Always use heat protectant before going out in the sun. And here's the secret. Rinse with cold water after conditioning for instant gloss. Your hair will look like you just left the salon. Step 3. The 2-week gym shortcut. You don't need to live at the gym to see real changes. Do this simple routine. Full body until failure strength training 3 times a week, focusing on squats, push-ups, and rows. Add 15 minutes of incline walking after each session. The key? Lift heavy enough that the last 2 reps feel challenging. This will tone your entire body and boost your metabolism faster than you think. Oh, and take those rest days very seriously because they are more fundamental than the training. Step 4. Upgrade your wardrobe. You don't need new clothes, just smarter combinations. Pick 3 colors that complement your skin tone and build outfits around them. Roll up your sleeves and pants slightly to show some skin. It makes every outfit look more put together. And always tuck in at least 1 piece of clothing. It instantly makes you look more polished. Now, onto the most important step of all. Step 5. The mindset shift nobody talks about. This is why most glow-ups fail. Every morning, write down 3 things you love about yourself. Stop negative self-talk immediately. Would you say those things to your best friend? Dress like you're already the person you want to become. Confidence is the ultimate glow-up secret that makes everything else work better. There you have it. 5 simple steps to glow up in just 2 weeks. Start today, be consistent, and you'll see amazing results just in time for summer. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're trying this. And let me know which step you're starting with first. Now go out there and shine.